the ICT-style market structure indicator offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and execute it on the chart. Additionally, traders can study this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. We select the indicator file from the navigator section and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to activate the Allow DLL Imports option from the Comments section, and then click the Confirm button. Once the indicator is executed on the chart, it begins to identify and draw the change of character and break of structure levels on the price chart. The market structure BOS and CHOCH indicator is a practical and suitable tool for ICT-style traders to easily identify structure breaks, changes in character, and market trend changes. With the indicator applied to the chart, we see that a series of lines are drawn for us. And in the top left corner of the chart, the specifications of each line are displayed. Here, we see that the price has dropped downwards and then made a major change of character, which is labeled here. After that, the price moved upwards and then continued its downward drop, forming a BOS break of structure for us after a bearish change of character. Then we see the price fluctuating within its larger and major structure. If it breaks this low downwards, it is considered a BOS break of structure. If for us, or if it breaks this high upwards, it is considered a change of character for us. However, we see that currently the price is fluctuating and moving between the upper and lower price lines, which is considered a minor trend for us. Here, BOS, 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 and finally, minor BOS have been identified for us, which are shown with a bold blue line, and after that the price has moved downwards, which has formed a minor change of character for us, indicating a shift in the market nature. We see that the price has changed from an upward trend to a downward trend, then corrected upwards, and continued its decline. After that, we see it has completed its fluctuations. Again, in this section, it breaks our upper level upwards, which is considered a major change of character for us. With a move downwards and a pullback in this section, it continues its upward trend and begins to break structure upwards in the settings section. In the input section, there are only two options available for us. In the first section, you can choose the number of candles for calculation and display on the chart, which by default is set to 1,000 candles. It goes back 1,000 candles from the current candle and performs its calculations and displays them on the chart. In the next section, you can choose the type of trend calculation, whether it should be based on zigzag or on candles. Here by default, it is set to the zigzag mode, but you can select the candle mode in this section. The calculations are also marked with a vertical dotted line, which moves to the right from this line and performs its calculations. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.